This is impossible. My telescope lens has completely vanished. It was here last night observing Andromeda, and now it's just gone. I've checked everywhere. The lens hasn't fallen or been misplaced. It's as if it simply vanished into the cosmos. But matter cannot disappear. Every mystery has a scientific solution. I need to understand the physics behind invisibility. Perhaps this is an optical phenomenon. These glass objects are transparent but clearly visible. What could make glass invisible? Wait! Refractive index! Could this be the key? Let me test my hypothesis. Water has a refractive index of 1.33, glass is 1.5. If I find a matching liquid, the lens should become invisible. Incredible! The lens is disappearing before our eyes. The refractive indices are matching, and the glass is becoming completely invisible. Eureka! My telescope lens became invisible due to atmospheric conditions matching its refractive index. Now, let me explain this optical illusion. This is refractive index matching. When light passes between materials with identical refractive indices, it doesn't bend, creating invisibility. You can recreate this at home. Just need a clear glass, water, and vegetable oil. Glass objects will vanish before your eyes. That's how I solve the vanishing lens mystery. Try the experiment at home and subscribe to Wonder Labs. Keep looking up and stay curious.
Wonder Labs, meet our scientific crew. Wonder Labs, amazing experiments just for you.